Alright, so let me show you my favorite bike ride where we go from Oak Park, the original Green Line stop, up to Superdawg on Milwaukee, and then we cut over to the Ostermann beach at the lake, head down the lake to Bridgeport, and then make our way back to Oak Park. And so we're going up Ridgeland to Superdawg, and then I decided to cut through Devon. I was thinking because it was not even 6 o'clock yet, it'd be fine. But the potholes are pretty bad. So taking the North Branch Trail probably would have been better. The roads definitely get better at Westridge. And if you have a restaurant that you recommend around here, let me know. But yeah, making it right onto Sheridan, and then you start seeing signs for the lake, and now you're on the lakefront trail. I'm honestly quite jealous of people who are actually able to use this as their daily commute. It is just absolutely amazing. And once you pass Diversey Harbor on the right, you're approaching Lincoln Park, and then that's where Green City Market is on Saturdays. It's a great spot to stop at. But man, nothing quite like seeing the morning sun reflecting off the skyline. It is just fantastic here. Probably my favorite spot for breakfast in this area is La Catedral on Randolph, and they are never crowded. And don't forget, right by all these museums, there are definitely free days during the summertime for Illinois residents. I mean, that's your taxpayer money. You should definitely go check it out. So 35th Street has a nice pedestrian bridge that goes over Lakeshore Drive, and that takes you into Bridgeport. And obviously with the White Sox playing there, but there's also 35th Street Red Hots, there's Marz Brewing, the Vienna Factory, up Halsted. There's Min's Noodle House, Taipei Cafe, Geo's, Punky's, everything that you could possibly want. And west of Halsted, you got all the hipster stuff. So on 31st Street, then to Loomis, and then to Cermak. This is my main path to get from Bridgeport back to Oak Park. Once on Cermak, then cut into Douglas Park, where Riot Fest is at, go Independence Boulevard, and go north eventually to Lake, and then it's just a straight shot back into Oak Park, where I am now stopping at Pete's to get some sausages for the Memorial Day grill. So yeah, I hope that this encourages you to bike out to the lakefront and check out some more neighborhoods around Chicago. See you next time.